Hey guys, thanks for landing on our YouTube channel. Uh, we are Isha Training Solutions. We are a software training institute. We focus mainly on performance testing, automation testing, and cloud technologies like SRE, Azure Cloud, AWS, and APM tools. And we have doing very well in data science, AI, ML, Power BI, and different other QA technologies like security testing, accessibility testing, VAPT testing, ETL testing, and quite a few of them. So let's quickly get into what we do. Actually, we started this institute in 2016, just that with a vision that I would give a quality training with a very nominal price. So that's what was my motive. So myself, I worked in US for quite some time, done my masters over there, came to India and worked in different organizations. And one of the organizations I was leading this education, different people, different companies call it differently. Like, some people call it as L&D unit, some people call it as E&R unit. So learning and development, I used to head on the testing side. I see a lot of gaps over there, and there was no free hand to do certain stuff in my own way. Then I came out and then started this institute with the vision of giving a quality training, a real-time training, a real-time training uh, with a very nominal fee. That was my motive when I started this. And in this long journey, I was able to accomplish to certain extent whatever I was thinking, continue to give the quality training most of the times. Okay, giving every time I think it's not humanly possible. So we continue to find quality trainers, we continue to groom them, and then motivate them to give the best to the participants, who are shelling out the money from their own pockets. So other than that, we do a lot of corporate trainings. We have empanelments with various companies. Okay, so where we give out our courses. So yeah, luckily, with all the blessings of all my participants and the trainers and the staff here who works here, the backend staff, okay, and more importantly, the customers, the participants or the learners, okay, I would really thank them that they continue to support me all this while with my growth, okay, and I'm seeing wonderful year-on-year growth. Uh, why choose Isha? As I've told you, expert trainers, dedicated trainers who just doesn't focus on only making money but also giving value. Okay, and the interactive live sessions. Okay, and we have been able to give lots of trainings, all this while, and a lot of people have got jobs and they are able to get into the projects. Okay, and most importantly our curriculum is it's is designed by the real-time working professionals, which means that it is aligned with the current market. So that is the most important thing. So let's quickly go through all the courses that we give. Selenium Java is one of our popular selling tools. Very good feedbacks. Rahul is there, Vikas is there. Quite a few trainers are there for this. Selenium Python again, doing really good. Dinesh Pavan is driving it. Selenium C Sharp, Ruxana is there. Then these days, Playwright. Everywhere people are talking about Playwright. So introduce this. So this video is created just that that this is September 2025. So I'm talking about it. So as of now, today, everybody's talking about Playwright. It's taking over Selenium, to be honest. So it's an AI-powered Playwright automation courses we have started. Gupta is there, okay, Piyush Gupta, and then Cyril is there, Yash is there, Praveen is there. So they're doing a wonderful job. We have all the flavors: Playwright JavaScript, Playwright TypeScript, Playwright Python, Playwright Java, and more importantly, these are AI-powered. And from next month onwards, which is October, all Selenium Java and Selenium Python, we wanted to make it as a AI powered as well. Okay, and APIs also we do API automation with Postman. Wonderful trainer, Kiran, absolutely good trainer, and rest assured again, Rahul is taking care of it. He's extremely good as well. And then Cypress is there. Okay, occasionally we do this. It's not too much of demand, but we do it every 2 months, 3 months, and Vikas is taking care of this wonderfully. And Appium is there, Balaji from Dubai. He drives these classes and takes a very long course, 2 months course. So mainly not iOS, but mainly Android that we do this with. iOS is not many people have the iOS phone, so we keep it away from iOS, but it's Android is what we do it with. Okay, and performance testing, JMeter, we do it almost every month. Loadrunner every 2 months. Neoload and K6 on occasional basis. And site reliability engineering, Roshan sir is doing an amazing job. We do it almost every month or every 45 days, and this is one of our popular selling courses, and we're doing really, really good on this front. And cloud performance engineering as well, which Roshan is doing again. So doing good, and chaos engineering, occasionally we do it. And then one course which is missing on this PPT is performance engineering. Okay, so we do that every month, and that is one of the reasons why Isha is known for. I don't think no institute is giving that performance engineering course. Satish sir is taking care of it, exceptional, and Sarvanan is also takes care of it, is exceptional. So yeah, and yeah, before go to the next slide, so performance engineering is one of our hot selling courses as well. Then full stack data science and AI, everybody is venturing into it. We ventured into it. We have been able to do these patches successfully with Meenakshi ma'am. And Gen AI for software testers, Chinmay sir, exceptional, very good results. Okay, now we are enhancing this course and making it as a agentic AI and Gen AI for software testers kind of course. So this course is kind of caters for all the people, functional testing guys, automation testing guys, and performance testing guys. And we are venturing little more into this area. We found some very, very good experienced trainers who can do agentic AI and Gen AI for only automation testing or focused on Selenium and focused on Playwright. So we are introducing those courses. There's one course that I wanted to talk about at this point of time where a couple of trainers have agreed. It is AI testing, not uh, prompt engineering, but it is a course where it is testing the AI models itself, MI models itself. So that is a very course I'm excited about at this point of time, probably introduce in maybe next 2 months. So and then ETL testing is one of our hot selling courses. So we are doing it plain ETL testing with Informatica. Then we have ETL testing automation with Python along with Azure. Okay, and there is another course with Azure Data Engineering and ETL. So this is kind of in the ETL area. And yeah, we have done some good work on the Power BI and data analytics as well. In terms of the APM tools, which is mostly important for who wants to become an APM admins or performance testers or networking guys or any admins. So Dynatrace is our hot selling course, which Savan takes care of it, and he's been able to do that from last 7 years very, very successfully and beautifully. And AppDynamics, New Relic, Splunk, Grafana, we do it on need basis. So, and this is overall a profile, but couple of courses which are not included here is accessibility testing course, which is again hot selling by Kiran sir, and security testing course, which is again by Kiran sir and it's hot selling. VAPT courses, okay, and some of the courses that we do but not added here is because we don't do it regularly, but those courses are also there. So, yeah, we'll give the course completion certificates, and most of the courses have hands-on projects, and these are in the batch mode, live interaction. And along with this live interaction, the following day we usually give the videos as well, just in case if somebody has forgot or something like that. Okay, so we're based out in Molali. And we just have a backend team. We have a wonderful backend team, digital marketing team. Sometimes the team grows as much as 10 to 15 members. So without those these members' help, I don't think I'll be able to run this show. They have been very, very honest, flexible, work in the nights as well if required from their home. And I'm glad I got this team. I'm able to do that. And we do the courses on batch mode, as I've told you, but okay, and we do both weekends, weekends occasionally, weekdays most of the times, and some of the batches will be in the morning, some of the batches will be in the evening. And do understand that all my trainers are working professionals. I don't take a trainer who hasn't worked real time. So our focus is to pick up the trainers who have worked real time and can do part time with us, or they would have left the job and doing this as a full time, but they should have a minimum of 8 to 10 years, and they should be working professionals. In exceptional cases, we do take the trainers with less experience, but generally, it's 8 years. Okay, but yes, we do have some one-on-one trainings as well, but those are expensive. Just that if somebody wants one-on-one at their flexible timings, we do offer them, but it is a little expensive. Okay, as I've told you, most of our faculty or all of the faculty are 8 plus years real-time experience, not teaching experience. I'm taking hands-on experience, and of course teaching experience as well. Okay, maybe 2 years, 3 years, or 4 years of teaching experience. And they continue to work, which means that they are upskilling themselves every day when they're doing the work which they will incorporate in their current projects. So once you come take the classes, you will clearly see that that these are working professionals. And yeah, we've trained lots and lots of learners over these 8 years across different platforms, across different courses. And we have, as I've told you, tie-ups with multiple MNCs as well, which they'll take the courses from us. So we do a lot of corporate training as well. So if you add all of them, quite a few people have taken the courses. These people, these learners, whom I have huge respect, because I've seen some of the learners come take with us 8 courses, 10 courses, 12 courses. So without them, I think I wouldn't have been here. Thanks to all of them. So they mostly come for upskilling, cross-skilling, and when they want to, when they want to do a job change, or when they have a gap. Okay, and we have a good satisfaction rate, because we do make the review calls after the batches, so we usually get to hear good things. Yes, certain times people are not happy. We cannot make everybody happy, but yeah, but most of the times, yes. Um, so that's what it is, okay. And as I've told you, our core training philosophy, give the trainings at a very, very nominal prices, give a quality training and a real-time training, and given by the real-time expert. And all my trainers, or most of my trainers, they just don't work only for money. Yes, money has to be there, okay, but they do it with passion. They do it with an intent that, the quality training has to be imparted. And and then they are humble, nice, most of them. Okay, and yeah, and of course, the end of the day, everybody wants to make money as well. So quite some testimonials are there. You can check my Google testimonials, go elsewhere and check. There are a lot of platforms there. You can check my testimonials. That gives you a good idea as to where the people are standing, how much I've seen some people's salary increase by 2 times, 3 times. They call me, some of them call me, some of them they don't call me, but I'm very happy that they're able to do that. Okay. And we do a lot of corporate trainings. If somebody is looking for the corporate training for your company, we're more than happy to accommodate. And yeah, uh, so we always look for trainers. If somebody is looking at the video and you can teach something, you're passionate about training, I can create the course. Whatever the course you have, I can create the course. But the first one I look for in a trainers is a passion, okay, to teach, okay. And of course you will make some money as well, more money or less money depends upon the number of enrollments, which we can discuss. If you have a passion, obviously, you will be end up making more money at some point of time, okay. And yes, we do give support to the people if somebody is looking at this video and they're saying that, oh, I don't need the training, I just need the support. We don't get involved. We just give the professionals numbers you can talk to. It's just a help that we are doing. Okay, so you can talk to them, the commercials and all that. But again, we are only passing on the numbers. We don't take the responsibility in terms of the project supports. Okay. So that's what it is. So enrollments, you call me on my number 913-319-0573. I've given this one, okay, over here, or email us. But the best way to reach is the WhatsApp number, okay, or go to my website, ishatrainingsolutions.org, and go to the page of the course that you want to enroll. There is an enrollment page or the enrollment sheet over there. You can enroll from there, okay. And all our courses, there will be demo. After the demo is done, if you like it, you will go ahead and process. And they are very nominal fee. You can check it. Okay. And so that's what it is. Thank you. Hope to see you in any one of the courses if you're looking at this video.